Scientists want to reach the star. Skunk want to reach the moon. Cat want to reach the cloud. They are still making lot of noise. They are still making a lair. They're still hammering. The animals are lost in the forest. They followed the note. They followed the sound. They followed the light. They followed the house. They could see men dancing. They could see women sing. They could see boys clapping. They saw cars in the tree. There's a nest in the tree. They hole in the tree. His is drop. His long or very long. His neck is very long. His tongue is very long.